So you have got AdSense approval. Great, good news and congratulations. Now you have one error that says earnings at risk and you need to fix ads.text files to prevent impact on your revenue. And in this video, I will show you two methods to fix this error. Let's click on sites, and here you see I have this error on two of my sites. One site, it has already been rectified, but the error has not been removed or the message has not been removed yet. Remember, it does not go immediately. It will take a few days for Google to rectify that. Well, don't worry. That is how it works. Thanks for watching Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial. Hi there, this is Albert Pinto and thank you for watching this video. Welcome to my channel. Here in my channel, you have multiple entertaining videos. Do visit and check them out, mainly on exploring Goa, the beautiful Goa beaches. Watch my last video on two methods to add Google Analytics on Blogger. The next video is in Blogger, how to create a free website. Complete tutorial. Watch that video if you want to create a blog for free and earn money. Next video, optimize the speed of your mobile site. Best method to improve the speed on mobile. Must watch video. Now, this is my site. I will rectify this site. Solve the error. And here is the site name. Let's begin to fix the error. Here it says to download the ads.txt file first and then upload it in the root level domain. Now I have my site in DreamHost. You must be hosting somewhere else. You need to go to your file manager where all your files are stored. Click on your site. Click on to upload the file. Now, this is the file. Before that, I will clear one important issue here. Sometimes, unknowingly, we open two files like this one. This file, if you upload, then it will not work. You must remove the into bracket first. Like for example, like this one, leaving just the ads.text only. So let's go back and do the same procedure again. Upload the file. Allow the file to transfer. You see here is your file uploaded. Let's go back. Click on this option. Here I will show you the important part. Here it shows you the method, how it should be done and how to confirm if your code is correctly done. So let's copy this URL and paste it here. Example.com. Remove this and write your site name and then enter. Here you see the ads.text code is applied correctly. Method number 2. This method is with the installation of plugin. go to plugin and click on Add New. I will not suggest to solve these small issues by installing plugins because plugins slow down your site. Remain away from them as far as possible. Right here, ads.text manager. Click on this plugin to install. Once done, click to activate. Go down here and find the plugin and click on Settings. Now it is asking for ID number. For that, go back to the same AdSense code. Copy this code and paste it here. And then click on Save Changes. I will not save because I have already uploaded it in my file manager. Right, I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you once again. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. You take care and bye-bye.